Hi, welcome to another video from the Essence of Clarity. My name is Sabine and today we are at my desk. And you wouldn't expect this to be the desk of an organizer, but I was thinking about it, like I can make videos that are absolutely perfect and pretty and all that stuff, and I will, but life is real and my life is real as well, which means that some periods of time things are coming at me left, right and center, and it's just like a flood, and I just have to ride the wave, lay low for a little bit until I can catch up, get a little bit of air, and then start tackling my organization again. So this is the result of basically being involved with multiple projects at the moment and dealing with multiple deadlines, as well as basically having a few really unexpected things happen in my life. So now I sit on my desk like this, which is horrible, which is not me, which basically means that while I'm trying to do some work, I'm going and that's not how I would like to be on my desk, because I love it when I have a bit of space. It means that I can think better and I can work so much better and I'm so much more productive. So what I'm going to do is basically use my skill set. So the way that you can kind of compare this is that an organizer is potentially like a mechanic. A mechanic can fix their car, but it doesn't guarantee them being a mechanic that the car never breaks down. And it's a similar thing for an organizer. Just because I have the skill sets of an organizer and I know all the tricks and the mindsets and all these type of things that help, doesn't mean that my life is always perfect and that things never become disorganized or messy. I just have to kind of pause, create some space and some time to fix it up. So I'm going to fix up my desk. I know where everything goes, because even though it's a mess, everything pretty much has a home, and I'm going to put these items in their rightful place in their homes. I'm going to check how long that takes me and I'll tell you how this goes. Okay, so I've finished for the moment, which is good enough because I'm still in a very busy period of time and I've got an incredible amount of projects to do. So I have to go and get my script. This is my thinking book, which I always have with me, and all this paperwork is basically projects I'm currently working on, which it's not a good idea, but I'm enjoying all the projects, so hopefully this pile will gradually go down. I've got a few notes here that I just have to enter in the computer so I know the number that I need to remember in the next appointment. I wanted to show you. It took me 14 minutes or almost 15 minutes to just get this whole desk cleared up. And what else have I done? So basically this inbox is empty. I'm going to put these two things that are in there in a memory box, which I'll do a video on in a little while. One of the key things that I did, which makes this whole space much better. I've actually, papers and projects I'm working on, I put that on the side. That's how I work. I made space, and then I have these cups that my husband bought me, which I like them because I got a t-shirt the same, but I don't like drinking from them. So I thought I'll just use them as really nice pencil holders. So now I've got my label maker and all the little bits and pieces. I've got all these different color markers, which I actually do use, especially for all the projects I'm working on. Highlighters and other pens, glasses, otherwise can't see. So everything has a spot again. I know what I'm doing, and it only took 15 minutes. And the key to that is that when I looked at the papers, as you saw me do, I go, okay, this lives there, this lives there. everything, and the things that didn't have a home, like a lot of the pencils, I actually created homes for. So that was really a key to basically messing this desk. So it's not perfect, it won't be perfect for a while, because I'll probably got another couple of months of heavy project loads, but at least I can breathe and I can focus on my projects, and I'm really excited about that. So hopefully this was inspiring for you to see two different things, that yes, everyone gets overwhelmed certain times and are swamped with projects, but you can change it and you'll feel so much better and you'll be so much more productive when you have a clean slate. So I'll talk to you soon with another inspirational video. Okay, bye for now.